Hey guys, Jeff here and welcome back to Pinoy Fitness. This weekend is all about reconnecting with nature to get some sun, sea, and surf together with some Pinoy Fitness friends in Baler.
Walang alon!
Oo nga eh. Ano, silip tayo sa iba?
Tara, pasunod na ako doon.
O tara, game. Load up!
Let's go!
I started surfing 12 years ago, but it was put on the side when I started joining running and triathlon events. Now, I'm starting to reconnect with my first sport, so I'm really excited about our surf and beach trip. Famous surfing spots can easily get crowded, but with the right car like the Ford Ranger Wildtrak and equipment, you can actually camp and surf anywhere along the coastline of Aurora. Edwards once said, "The best surfer out there is the one having the most fun." So let's cheers to that.